FM. Kahit Cebuano ang gamit ng lengguwahe, mukhang bibig ang awit sa buong bansa.
Yung melody talaga ng song, ang bibigat ng dating kaya pagdating ng, lalo na pagdating ng chorus, talagang ma-LSS ka. Kakantahin mo, maging ako, kinakanta ko talaga. Masok sa playlist namin, kasi nga most requested siya ng mga kabataan.
Noong Pebrero, halos 45 beses kada 3 oras ang tumatawag para i-request ito.
If Hasula had been released years ago, siguro hindi siya mapapansin because the idea of Visayan music sounding this good has not been embraced yet at that time. Conveys that we are proud to promote our own language. We should be. I think, why should we not be proud of?
Ang panauhin natin ngayong gabi ay si Jude Kitamundok at saka si Kurt Fick. Jude, ang dami mong mga awards, ang dami mong mga prizes. You are Cebu's best, are you? I mean, how long have you been in music?
Nagsimula po ako ng songwriting when I was in high school.
Ilan taong ka na?
I'm 37.
Okay, so you've been in the business about 20 years.
Yeah, but I've started yung professional songwriting ko talaga is 2006. That was with
10 years ago. Okay. Yeah. Favorite ka ni Gary V, ano ha? Ang dami ng kanta, ikaw ang gumawa. Hindi
siya
ba?
pala yung nagbigay sa akin ng first biggest break ko.
Ang latest mo naman na talagang getting everybody all excited is this ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. So, you know, it's a ha ha ha, but it's a very sad song.
Opo.
Hindi ba? How did you think of that song? Did you think of ha 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 first?
Yeah, yung hahasula, yung word na yun, nakita ko po yung nag-trending sa Facebook. Actually, it's a hashtag dito sa Visayas at Mindanao. It was going around for a long time, mga 2 years. Nung nabasa ko yung hashtag na yun, I thought na it could be a great song title.
Ha ha ha, hasula. And that was a hashtag.
Yes.
For what?
Kids just put the problems or their love problems and then they put the hashtag.
Why did you make it so sad? Na, my God, you know, you like the person does not like you.
Kita ko yung isang meme ni Medyo Malito, which when in Bisaya it's di tao yab, wala ikaw ugat ko, pero kung magselos ko ayaw pagbuot. In Tagalog that means it means hindi tayo, walang tayo, pero
wala tayo.
Pero pag nagselos ako, wag kang magkalam. Something like that. Nung nabasa ko yun, I really personally chatted with the one who wrote that, which was Medyo Malito, and I put all my cards out and said, let's write a song together based on that meme.
Why did you choose Kurt?
Kurt is a good friend of mine already. We've known each other for a long time, and then when we heard the song, we really liked it, and then they start doing covers of the song. They did their own version of the song kasi wala pang official version yun eh. Yung narinig niya yung demo ko.
Okay, alright.
Just me on the piano. So yun, when we heard the song, he liked it, so gumawa siya, tinutugtog niya sa mga gigs nila. And then I saw this video of them performing that song, and yun, nagustuhan ko yung take nila.
Yung kanyang interpretation.
Yes. And so when I heard that on the video, sabi ko, yun na yung perfect approach to the song. It doesn't have to be fully produced. It's just like that acoustic.
So Kurt, you know, when you first heard the demo of Jude, why did you immediately relate to it and want is it personal?
Yeah, relate. Partly, parang personal na rin. I mean,
In other words, meron kang gusto na
At that-
hindi ka gusto.
at that time,
He tried recording.
Yes, I
He
tried.
a few tears recording.
so sad. I had to turn off the light. I had to dim the lights, and I shed a few tears.
Well, now, you know, did you go after that girl anyway or no?
He's moving on.
I'm proud of myself.
Alright, what does ha 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 hasula mean? Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Hasula is hustle in English. It's like parang inadapt na ng Bisaya na ginawa nilang sarilang naming word, yung hasula. So ha is the laughing at your own
At your own
predicament.
troubles.
Yes.
Ayun. Welcome back mga kapuso. We are enjoying ourselves with Jude Kitamundok and Kurt Fick. How did you feel when the song went national?
Parang revelation to me because when we wrote the song, we actually, ang purpose talaga namin was to write a mainstream song that would make it to a broad audience. Actually, it's really in the chat that we, during our conversation with Roy, our intention was really to write a song na would appeal to the broad audience na Bisaya. Seeing how far it has come, medyo masaya kami talaga kasi na-achieve namin yung
Alright.
plan.
Was it ever recorded formally?
Yes, it was
Alright.
recorded.
How many have you sung?
Pero we were not selling the song. That's the thing. We produced a music video online, and then everyone shared it. That's it. We didn't try to make
So you
money.
made no money.
Yes, no.
What about, it's being, kinakanta ito sa radyo?
Yes.
Binabayaran kayo?
Yes, yun sa FaceCup, because I'm a FaceCup member. We are paid through.
Magkano ang binabayar? So, how much money have you made on this song?
I can't really.
Well, I mean, PhilCup pays you. Anong bayad ba ng PhilCup?
FaceCup. Yung sa FaceCup kasi hindi pa siya nag-register. I think parating pa lang yung royalties from FaceCup.
Oh, 1 year na, wala ka pang pera? Ako naman, hindi man pera.
Yun.
Wala ka pang pera. You have not gotten a single centavo from the song that is so popular all over the Philippines.
We had 2 occasions na we were able to make money. It was used in a political ad.
I can tell you.
We went after they didn't. We went after them, and then a couple of them paid us, and a couple didn't.
Can you tell us who the couples were that paid you and who were? No, let us bring it out, because that's very bad. Somebody gets your song and does not pay you. All right. Who are the politicians who paid you?
The first who paid us was the one in Davao, diba, si...
It was done in Davao.
Yes,
Okay.
someone reported to us online then they give us a link of the song being used. So we approached them. It's really not standard, but we asked them for 20,000.
Okay. Have you made any money from singing this song?
I actually have
Yes,
yung mga special guestings, yung mga ganun.
You are invited because of it?
Yes.
You think so?
Apparently,
It's
yeah.
not because of your other talents.
No, sadly no. But yeah.
So what sustains you?
Yeah, because I'm also part of a cooperative of mga artists and musicians. We call ourselves Artisco. It's basically a cooperative like any other. But what we do is we do artistic endeavors. We push our own projects,
And you make money.
and then we try to make money.
How do you think the government can help you, or do you think you can earn money from this song without government intervention?
Actually, there's a law already. There are laws in place already to protect copyright of songwriters. What FaceCup is doing is, we're because I'm part of FaceCup as well, we're broadening our reach. So, like 2 years ago, bago lang sila pumasok dito sa Cebu, and they're slowly going into the other provinces as well.
Thank you very much, Jude. Thank you very much, Kurt. And mga kapuso, ayan, ang ganda ng mga composers natin. At can you imagine, hanggang ngayon, 2 taon na yung kantang yan, 20,000 pa lang ang kanilang ang kinangkita from that song. Talaga, hindi ba natin kayang to respect and to finance our composers and musicians? Kung hindi natin ginagawa yan, talagang ayan ang pasaway. Alam niyo naman, bawal ang pasaway kay Maring Winnie.